You can use wax to waterproof clothes, canvas shoes, and other fabrics. First, add 4 ounces, 115 grams of beeswax, and 4 ounces, 115 grams of paraffin wax to a double boiler. Be sure to heat the waxes until they melt. In the meantime, tumble dry the fabric you want to waterproof so it's warm. Next, brush a thick layer of the wax onto the warmed-up fabric using a paintbrush, one small section at a time. Turn a blow dryer on high and point it at the wax until it melts into the fabric. Let the fabric cool. Then apply a second layer of wax if there are any uneven spots. Finally, let the wax cure for 24 hours. You can also waterproof fabric using a waterproofing spray. Just spray the fabric when it's dry until it's completely covered. Then apply a second coat just a few hours later. For extra protection, apply seam sealer to all the seams so no water gets through them.